In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change MacBook startup wallpaper. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can change the login screen wallpaper, also known as the boot up or startup wallpaper. Keep in mind that in this video, I'm also going to cover how to change the desktop wallpaper, but I believe that most people already know how to do this. So in order for you to change the login wallpaper or the startup wallpaper, you will have to meet some requirements. As weird as this is, you cannot simply just right-click somewhere on the screen and find the option to change it. You will actually have to meet some criteria. Because of the way that the MacBook loads up your files and encrypts them, it has to load this temporary background in, and only after you log into your main user do you see the custom wallpaper. So I'm going to teach you the conditions that you have to meet and then how you can change it. So first, you will have to disable File Vault. File Vault is something that you can find by going over to the System Preferences, choosing Security and Privacy, and it is going to be available here. If you don't use the service, then you can just go ahead and disable it. But as you can see, it secures the data on your disk by encrypting its contents automatically. The reason why this has to be turned off is because, like I said, when you boot up your Mac for the first time, all of your files, including custom images that you might be using as wallpapers, are going to be encrypted. And only after you log into your user, even if it doesn't have a password, then you can access those images and files. Because they are encrypted when you first boot up the Mac, it cannot access the image to set it up as a custom background here. So by disabling it, you will enable the option for the Mac to access that image and use it as a custom background. With that done, the other thing is that you cannot have any guest accounts. So if you have any guest accounts on your MacBook, it is going to be disabled. So you have to delete these guest accounts if you want to use a custom background. And you will only see the custom background when you choose your main account, the one that you've customized the wallpaper for. With these three conditions met, then all that you have to do is right-click on your desktop while holding Control and go to Change Desktop Background, or you can go over to the System Preferences and access the desktop and screensaver options. Then go into the Wallpaper category and change it from here. You can add a custom photo or choose whichever one you see on the list, and now this background will automatically be set according to your desktop wallpaper. And like I said, you need to meet those requirements. Disabling File Vault for the basic reasons that I explained, making sure that there are no guest accounts, and making sure that you select your main profile. I hope I was able to help you on how to change MacBook startup wallpaper. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.